Hey guys, it's Treya, and this video will be a mommy and me hair tutorial with my youngest daughter, Raegan, and we will be featuring the Ultimate Detangler by Tangle Teezer. So this is what the Ultimate Detangler looks like, and I'll be using it on my hair as well as Ryan's hair. As you guys can see, the brush has two-tiered teeth that are flexible, so they're great for detangling because they basically glide through and with your hair, and this helps prevent a lot of breakage. You guys will see soon that we did not lose a lot of hair using this brush, and our hair was extremely tangled, okay, and dry. So I really enjoyed using this brush. I also really like the Comfort Grip handle because, well, it's comfortable to use. You also don't have to worry about it slipping out of your hands when you're using it in the shower or with products. So yeah, I was actually a really big fan of this brush. So let's just get into washing and styling, and you guys will see this brush in action. So like I said, our hair was extremely tangled and super dry and really needed some TLC. So we started off by applying a detangler to our hair just to really saturate it because like I said, our hair was really dry. So before we go into detangling, especially when our hair is this tangled, we pre-poo first and we use a detangler. After I thoroughly applied the detangler to our hair, and with Ryan's help, I let it sit in for about 10 to 15 minutes just to help with the detangling process before using the Ultimate Detangler Brush by Tangle Teezer. So here's the brush in action. Of course, I started by detangling from the bottom and working my way up. And after a few passes, this is how much hair I had in the brush, and here's how much hair Ryan had in the brush. Not bad at all. And what I absolutely loved about this brush was the fact that it really clumped our curls. I mean, our curls were popping, okay? The curl snapback was real. Overall, as you guys can see, detangling was really easy. I love that this brush is gentle enough for Ryan's hair, but also effective enough for my hair. My hair is pretty thick. Ryan's hair is on the finer side. So I love that this brush works for both of our hair. It claims to be great for all hair types. I'm a fan, and Ryan is a fan as well, as you guys can see. So yeah, I just finished detangling our hair. Initially, I did start with half of a quadrant just to see how this brush was gonna work, but I really like the fact that I don't have to put my hair in a bunch of sections to detangle because the Ultimate Detangler can detangle quite a bit of hair without snagging or pulling. So all I need to do is split my hair up into 4 sections, and then I can easily detangle. And the same thing went for Ryan. I was able to detangle her entire quadrant. So being able to minimize the amount of sections I have to make is another point in Tangle Teezer's book. It didn't take a lot of time at all. We didn't lose much hair. The curls were popping. I mean, I don't see any negatives here. And people refer to this brush as the magic hairbrush, and I can see why. Like, I believe in magic. I believe it because just look, like the results speak for itself. This brush is awesome. So after our hair was fully detangled, we went into shampooing. I, of course, like to keep my hair in twists just to prevent it from tangling back up. And as for Ryan, I just let her curls remain free, and I just shampooed and conditioned her hair. So now it's time for styling, and I started off by applying a leave-in conditioner to our hair, and then I went back in with the Ultimate Detangler just to ensure that our hair was thoroughly detangled, which it was. Curls were still popping. So the Ultimate Detangler is definitely something that you can use to detangle your hair in the shower and when you are styling. I added a twisting cream to both of our hair and began to style. So for today's style, I ended up giving us both some mini twists. Now these mini twists weren't super mini because, listen, I wasn't trying to be here all day, okay? But I think they turned out really stinking cute, if I do say so myself. And I didn't make sure that our parts were super even or anything like that. I personally like the effortless mini twist look, so that's what I was going for both of our hair, and I really like how they turned out. So I just sectioned off some hair, detangled it with the Ultimate Detangler, and then twisted our hair all the way to the end. So here are two different ways that I styled our mini twist. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely be sure to check out the Ultimate Detangler by Tangle Teezer. You can find this brush at your local Ulta, or you can click the link down in my description box and order it online. It's super affordable, super inexpensive, so be sure to check it out. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.